We have an AI study application that has a problem. Enjoy the video. What we're going to do is do a quick overview on this application, and then we're going to break down this operation, and then we're going to point out the bottleneck, and then we're going to solve for that constraint. Starting with the overview here, the founder's name is Jonas. He's making $2,000 in monthly recurring revenue. There's one founder, which is him, and they have 0 employees. Here's the front page of their website, and here's the website domain if you guys want to check it out. Cool, so here are the elements and sub-elements for this operation. Now we're not going to go over the sub-elements, but keep in mind each one corresponds with the elements here. Starting with number 1, AI-powered personalized study tool. It is to help students achieve top grades in minimal time using science-backed learning paths and AI-generated resources. Solo founder software as a service model. It is to build and sustain a lean, profitable business without external funding or technical co-founders. SEO and short-form social content strategy. It is to attract and convert students cost-effectively via high-intent channels. Lifecycle email campaigns. It is to convert freemium users into paying subscribers through extended nurturing. AI content generation engine. It is to drastically reduce study time by auto-generating tailored academic materials. Execution-driven entrepreneurial mindset. It is to deliver results without external resources or validation. Cool, you guys can pause the video and read out the sub-elements if you want, but we're going to move past it. Cool, so now we get into the overall purpose or the value proposition of this operation. It is to compress 34 hours of traditional studying into 5 highly effective hours using AI-generated materials and science-backed learning paths. It helps students go from average to top-performing grades in far less time, reducing stress while improving outcomes. It's tailored for students who value both time and performance, offering instant utility and tangible academic results. Now here's a constraint. It is scaling high-quality AI-generated academic content while maintaining educational accuracy and contextual relevance. As the platform grows, ensuring that AI-generated handouts, quizzes, and exam simulations are teaching-oriented in quality, personalization, and in alignment with varied university curricula as it becomes increasingly difficult. Without a strong editorial or academic review process, the product risks losing trust among its core student base if content quality suffers or misinformation spreads, even if it performs well in the short term. Since the founder is non-technical and solo, there's also an operational strain in continuously improving both the AI engine and platform while managing growth. And then we get into the solution. As usual, we have a good idea achieving product market fit, but a founder who doesn't understand the base operations for implementing AI. The reason this application is at $2,000 a month, despite being launched successfully on Product Hunt on October 29th of 2023, is because of churn. He has a good freemium and a good nurturing process to convert warm leads, but to retain the customers is not possible with a one-man army. It's either he's not iterating his product quick enough to customer feedback, or he's not retrieving feedback at all. To solve for the latter, more intimate involvement with the customer base and more culture will do. To solve for retrieving feedback, it should start with reciprocity before introducing economics to increase the volume of feedback loops. As CEO, he should not be focused on technical implementations, and he should also not fully rely on AI to self-organize. This founder, with the foundation he has, should seek a technician he can rely on. Ideal customer profile is validated, offer is validated, product is validated, and he has a customer base. All he needs to do is plug in one more component, which is another human to join the operation. As CEO, he can focus on optimizing content, the nurturing process from the freemium, and operations from feedback loops. The last thing he should focus on is anything to do with technical implementation. For that, he needs a technician with solid communication flow in both speed and quality. From inputs given by the CEO, the technician should be proficient at AI prompt engineering and code iterations for quality assurance. It's clear that the CEO is overloaded with technical tasks, resulting in lack of focus on what can move the business forward. It's liberating to have a one-person business, especially in this age of AI, but unfortunately with online solutions, there will be competitors who will take your throne by funnel hacking and hijacking what you have. Technology moves quicker than any other type of product. For some founders, it's quite nauseating to have people working under you for a number of reasons, which is why it's best to include ownership opportunity in the employee funnel. After product iterations are established from feedback loops, next would be introducing an affiliate system split testing economics. After the affiliate system, it's best to start systematizing the best ownership opportunity for employees. This can either be in the form of white label partnership or to take their expertise to the next level, forming private label corresponding product in unification to the original product. The latter is always the best answer, but does require more expertise and focus from the employees, which is why it's best to give them autonomous choice from the two pathways. Before the ownership transition, it's best to future pace employees on future partnership in the beginning of the relationship. This will result in proper motive to transition from technician to operationalist faster. Here's what its transition system can look like. Technician into manager, teaching, motivating, and monitoring a new technician into operationalist into partner. Because of AI, as business owners, we can get away with just one technician for technical implementations, especially if the system is kept very lean. I hope you guys found this valuable. If you did and you want to see more of me on your home feed, hit that subscribe button.